Benefits of safety education. What's the first thing? Well, first and foremost, we're going to reduce injuries. So that's an important part of things. We'll want to reduce maintenance costs. If you train folks on one, be careful about impacting stuff, but also how to react to it. I think you're over time, you're going to be more cognizant of what it takes to reduce those maintenance costs, reduce liability. Obviously, there are insurers out there, insurance companies that have a keen and watchful eye on what's going on from a rack safety standpoint. They've come to us for advice, so we counsel insurance companies on what to look for. So you want to be mindful of that. Of course, you want to extend the life of the racks. You want to make that investment last as long as possible, increase productivity, and of course, by empowering others, you're training key folks on site on how to identify issues on a periodic basis. So employee training, being told to be safe is simply not enough. You can hammer it home as much as you want, but if it was easy to do, we wouldn't be having these webinars. So better behavior comes from a few things. Awareness of the regulations. You have to let them know that there are regulations in place out there that you're expected to follow. Ability to recognize the risk. If you don't tell somebody or show somebody what to look for, how are they supposed to know? Right? Understanding the consequences. Remember those images that I spoke about before about a collapse? Those are all kind of the far end of the spectrum, but in between that, there's a variety of things that can happen with the racking when it's damaged that you want to avoid. And of course, empowering workers. I think folks will step up to the plate when needed, when they have been taught and educated about the right things to look out for. Culture impacts safety, and it goes without saying that if you want to move the needle in a significant fashion at your facility from a rack safety standpoint, it starts and stops with having a culture of safety